The 2026 BMW M4 GTR is the ultimate evolution of BMW's M division, a track-bred, road-legal monster that pushes performance engineering to new extremes. Every element of the car has been meticulously crafted for speed, precision, and dominance, making it as comfortable tearing up the Nürburgring as it is turning heads on the streets. Built on the proven M4 platform but enhanced with extensive racing upgrades, the GTR is a showcase of German engineering mastery. Its design language is bold and aggressive, with widened fenders, an extended carbon fiber splitter, massive air intakes, sculpted side skirts, and a towering adjustable rear wing that together create immense downforce and aerodynamic efficiency. Asterisk, under the hood lies a specially tuned 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine producing over 600 horsepower. The power plant is paired with an advanced 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission and a rear-biased MX drive all-wheel drive system, ensuring explosive acceleration and razor-sharp handling. Launch control allows the GTR to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds, while BMW's adaptive traction control keeps every ounce of power in check. An advanced cooling system with multiple radiators ensures optimal performance during intense track sessions, preventing heat, fade, and maintaining peak output. Asterisk, the lightweight construction is another key to the GTR's performance. Carbon fiber is extensively used for the hood, roof, door panels, and aerodynamic components, giving the car an exceptional power-to-weight ratio. A reinforced chassis with additional bracing provides unmatched rigidity, allowing the precision-tuned suspension and adaptive M-dampers to respond instantly to driver input. The steering is exceptionally direct, offering pinpoint control whether navigating tight corners or powering through sweeping bends. Massive carbon ceramic brakes deliver fade-free stopping power, letting the driver brake later and harder with total confidence. Asterisk, inside, the M4 GTR offers a cockpit that's both luxurious and performance-focused. The M carbon racing seats are wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather, providing maximum support during high-G maneuvers. The flat-bottom M steering wheel, also Alcantara wrapped, features tactile paddle shifters for rapid gear changes. BMW's latest eDrive 9 infotainment system is integrated into the digital M cockpit, displaying customizable performance data such as lap times, G-force readings, and real-time telemetry. The M Drift Analyzer and adjustable traction settings give drivers the ability to tailor the car's dynamics for track days or spirited road driving. Optional track packages add roll cages, racing harnesses, and a fire suppression system for those looking to compete seriously. Asterisk, visually, the 2026 M4 GTR is pure motorsport aggression. Laser LED headlights, smoked taillights, and gloss black M alloys shod in ultra-high-performance tires complete its menacing stance. The titanium exhaust system not only shaves weight but produces a fierce brass-inspired soundtrack that announces the car's presence long before it arrives. Every sound, every vibration, and every shift feels intentional, giving the driver a visceral connection to the machine. Asterisk, the 2026 BMW M4 GTR is more than just a high-performance coupe. It's a statement of engineering perfection and driving passion. It's built for enthusiasts who crave the raw thrill of racing, yet demand the refinement and luxury that only BMW can deliver. Whether carving through a mountain pass, chasing lap records, or simply enjoying an evening drive, the M4 GTR delivers an experience that is as exhilarating as it is unforgettable. Asterisk, like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the most extreme performance cars of 2026.